the video and see if you can figure out what animal this is. In Cirebon, these animals are known by two different names, Singa Barong and Paksi Nagaliman. Both are names of royal chariots used by the sultans of Cirebon for hundreds of years. Let's focus on the second name though. So according to the name, we just take it from Old Javanese, we're looking at a combination of three different animals. Paksi, an eagle, Naga, a dragon, and Liman, an elephant. But why these three animals? One prominent interpretation is that this is the story of Cirebon as a cultural melting pot, with the eagle representing Egypt and the wider Arab world, the dragon representing China, and the elephant representing India. Three parts of the world where Cirebon drew most of its cultural and religious influences. Another thing to look at here is the Trishula, or the trident held in its trunk, a symbol of power in Hinduism, and which of course ties the Sultan of Cirebon with their Hindu ancestors. Now looking back at the line of Ali in our previous video, and the Paksi Nagaliman, it's very interesting to see how two very different animals with two very different origin stories can both serve as symbols for the city of Cirebon, and it's cultural anomalies like these which makes Cirebon such a unique place, and in due time we'll be able to explore more of it together, so stay tuned.